Hello, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to start making money online doing simple tasks. For instance, imagine just liking a video on Instagram and getting $1 or even a 50 cents just to do that. It's as simple as that. In this video I'll be showing you 4 websites on which you can sign up on your laptop or your phone, whether it be your iOS phone, for instance an iPhone or an Android phone, and you'll be able to start making money to do simple tasks. As you can see here, the first website that I will be recommending is Picoworkers.com, and you'll simply tap into picoworker.com and then you're going to sign up. And I also recommend, otherwise I'm doing their freelance and earning, you also sign up to their affiliate program, on which you'll simply leave your link. For instance, you can use your social media platform and leave a link, and once someone taps on your link, you'll be able to get a commission. If you should tap on freelance and earn, it will lead to this page right here. As you can see, an example of tasks that persons have done and the amount of money they have earned. As you can see, this person has earned over $225 thus far, and it's gradually updating. As it updates basically every few seconds, it shows a live update, and you can see that this works all over the world. As you can see, persons from Turkey, from Belgium, all over the world are doing these simple tasks and making money. The other website that I will be recommending is Rapidworkers.com. Again, it's very easy to sign up and you'll be doing simple tasks. As you can see here, by simply voting for a video on YouTube, you'll be getting 10 cents. By following someone on Twitter, you'll be able to make 12 cents. And you can see that it will take you less than a minute to do this task and you'll be earning money. So you can obviously assume that by doing a good amount of these tasks, it will eventually add up and you can start making a reasonable amount of money. Another website that I'll be showing you is Microworkers.com. It's actually one of the most popular ones when it comes to these. And you can see there are numerous options for you to make money with Microworkers.com. As you can do surveys, you can do user testing, you can do data annotations. There are numerous options if you should scroll through. And you can see that another one right here, remotetasks.com. Again, it's very easy to sign up and you'll be able to do micro jobs. Simply sign up, learn, and you'll get certified, and you'll work and you'll start getting paid. And majority of these websites pay you via PayPal, so you'll be able to earn PayPal money no matter where in the world you are. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button, as I release videos like these daily on how to start making money online.